Hello friends, this is Sunan Subramanian here, commodity fundamental analyst, and today I'll be talking about two agriculture commodities. Among the agriculture commodities, the first commodity that I would like to touch upon is on cotton. And cotton, as you all know, has been trading very much bullish in the past couple of weeks, majorly due to increased buying activities in the domestic market after easing lockdown situations in India. However, we saw some corrections a few days back, majorly due to profit booking and progressive sowing reports in the states of Punjab, Rajasthan, and Haryana. Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana are those states which have already completed sowing, though these states are the smaller states due to better irrigation facilities over there. However, looking ahead, we are expecting that the M6 cotton futures to remain bullish, majorly due to crop switch from cotton to soybean in the major states of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. This is majorly due to high carry forward stocks from last year. The carry forward stocks from last year has been reported to be around 85 to 90 lakh bales as compared to 25 to 30 lakh bales from the previous year. So this extremely higher carry forward stocks was mainly due to lower exports in the global markets due to the lockdown situation, which has brought pressure in the spot and future prices. And this has eventually led to huge losses for the farmers, especially in the Vidarbha regions of Maharashtra. And hence they have decided to bring a switch in sowing from cotton to soybean in the Vidarbha regions of Maharashtra as well as in Madhya Pradesh. This is expected to keep the prices supportive in the coming weeks ahead, and I'm expecting that the prices to move up to 18,000 levels by the end of the next week. The second commodity that I would like to touch upon is on coriander seed. And coriander seed is a rabi spice which is currently in the off season, and we are expecting that the prices of coriander seed to remain bearish in the coming week ahead, majorly due to lower demand in the domestic market, especially by the masala millers. Moreover, this year's production has been reported to be higher in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat by approx 40 to 50%, and this has brought in high amount of carry forward stocks from last year as well, which is expected to keep the prices in the bearish zone. In addition to that, India usually imports coriander seeds from Russia and Bulgaria during the months of June to August. This is majorly due to high medicinal value in the coriander seeds which is being imported from these countries, which will be useful in the pharma sectors of India. And this is expected to keep the supplies higher in the domestic market as compared to the demand. Overall, I'm expecting a bearish trend in coriander seed futures, and I'm expecting that the prices to come down to 5,500 levels by the end of the next week. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.